This is a demonstration on how to group objects in Canva so you can move them around without messing with the formatting. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the object that you want to group. Then you are going to hold down the Shift button on your keyboard and select another object until you have selected all the objects that you want. So here I have selected these 3 objects. Then I will click the button Group right here. Once I click Group, I can grab this object as a group and relocate it to another area of the page. If you accidentally move it and don't want it there, simply go up to the top bar where it says Undo. Click it, and you can click it as many times as needed until it's all undone. So I'm going to leave this in a group, and I can see ungroup here if I want to manipulate the objects separate of the group. I can also double click and it will select that object and manipulate it in the group. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me at info@iocreativesolutions.com. Also, please ignore Encanto in the background. It is the only thing keeping my daughter occupied at the moment. Have a great day.